I'm here to tell you about the hydropower technology. It is a simple technology used for generations where we harvest energy as the water falls from high altitude lakes and runs through rivers into the ocean. So during the water's journey to the ocean, we harvest the energy on several power plants. Like this one here at Hunsfoss. This power plant is created to lead the water into a turbine inside the installation. That's where we transform the energy from the water to electricity. And this is where the journey starts. It's clean, it's green, it's sustainable.